Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna see if it's possible to listen to unavailable songs on Spotify. But before that, please consider liking this video, subscribe if you are new to this channel, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified if we post new video. For your reference, I'm running the latest version of the Spotify app with premium version on my iPhone device, and you may also want to update your Spotify app. Now, when you open up the Spotify app and you find a song that is unavailable, either through a playlist or just a collection of songs, you might notice that the name is grayed out and you don't have any info besides the title of the song. You might notice that you have these three dots at the right side of the screen that allows you to like the song or hide this song from that playlist. Regardless of which option you choose, nothing will pop up. This is because as of 2023, Spotify does not allow users to listen to unavailable songs, and there is no workaround to this. Again, there is no way to play unavailable songs on Spotify. I hope this video helped you clear up any questions you had. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next guide. Bye!